What?
There's no way around this.
Oh, and we have to go through the water. You see it? Here, can you sit up a little? Do you see it?
Oh yeah.
All right. Wow. That was epic. Wow. Hello from the desert.
We also call this a fish hook barrel cactus, right? Saguaros, straight spines. These have a hook. Okay? Your Native Americans would actually use these as sutures.
Oh,
What are those?
like for sewing
If
up.
you get a
wound.
really deep wound,
Yeah.
you can, right, help hold that together. And they would also sometimes use them like awls to punch through leather.
Oh,
Right.
yeah, that's
And,
sharp.
and so like a needle and thread sort of thing. So we also call it compass barrel cactus because its top points towards the southern sky.
Yeah. Drive.
Yeah.